Hello, my name is Eduardo Stefan. Would you like to be able to generate passive income? Would you like to be able to choose what to do with your time so you don't have to depend on somebody else's time, or worse, you don't have to do what somebody else tells you to do? Well, the key to this is building an online business. In this video, we will talk about this. Subscribe to my channel. Before we start, right here below, I will give you my number one recommendation to make money online in this 2019. In this video, we will talk about the 3 keys to build a successful online business. Don't forget to leave me a comment and subscribe to the channel. Step number 1 is to build an audience. And the thing that you need to do is to build your own brand. Once you have your own brand, you will be able to sell whatever you want. Therefore, the first thing you need to start doing is building your own brand. And that will allow you to build an audience that will engage with you. So this step is crucial. Many people start thinking that they need to sell something. No, what they need to do is to build their brand. Once they have their brand established, they can sell whatever they want. Because the way internet works and the way that business are built online, they are built on trust. If people trust you, they will do business with you. And if you have a brand, if you're a recognizable brand, you will generate trust, and that trust will get people to buy from you. Okay? So this is really important. Build a brand is powerful because it will give you the ability to reach lots of people. If you don't build your own brand, you won't be able to reach people, and you won't be able to sell whatever you want to sell. If you don't build a brand, you most likely will fail. Therefore, you have to concentrate on building a brand that people can relate to and that they trust. Tip number 2 is to interact with that audience. This is really important. To interact with them means engagement. If your audience is engaged with you or is engaging with you, they will most likely support you and they will buy from you. And the ways to engage with your audience is by video. Video has lots of engagement. It is the tool that has the most engagement on the internet. It's just, if you think most people, what they do, they watch TV or they watch a lot of YouTube, and therefore video is a very, very powerful way to engage with your audience. Another way to engage with them is by writing blog posts or doing that kind of communication. Many people think that social media is a way to engage. It is a way to engage too, that's right. But the most important thing that when you engage, you have to provide value. Provide something that your audience, it is grateful that you're giving them. It might be in a way, for example, I'm not a joker. I'm not very good at doing jokes, but some people is. Using that in your videos. Make jokes, make the content in a way that is funny or entertaining. What I try to do, for example, is to give you information that I think is valuable. And that way, I provide the most value I can. If you provide value, it is a key to produce engagement. Value, it is perceived by what your audience wants, not what you want. So what I do, for example, to perceive what my audience wants, I usually see what are the videos that my audience watch the most. And those are the kind of videos that I try to do. I'm gonna leave you a tool right here with me in below that will allow you to create an online business. Okay, so give it a try, and it is a powerful tool. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to leave a comment. The third step to building an online business, a successful online business, is to sell to your audience. We are not doing this for fun. This is not a hobby. We're here to make money. Some people might have it or might do it for fun, but for example, many people that watch this channel, I know for a fact that they want to make money online or they want to do business online. So therefore, it's really important to sell to your audience. And how you sell to this audience? By building systems that will allow you to sell to people even when you're not present. For example, building sales funnels, building information or YouTube videos, and telling people to go buy your stuff. And this way is the only way that people will go and do buy from you. If you don't sell to them, somebody else will, first of all. And second, if you don't sell to them, you won't be able to make money and you will end up not doing this anymore. Therefore, it is really important to sell to your audience. Don't forget that. I'm going to leave you, as I said before, the tool that I use to build my online business. Okay, it's a 7-day free trial. Give it a look and use it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you liked it. And please subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment.